No up. Okay? Huwag naka-straight yung legs. Try to drop your hips. Pwede nyo na konti. Okay? Then pound that ball. I want to hear you pound the ball. Okay? One more set ha. That's the point. Okay, so kapag nag-color red, okay, di ba, continuous bond tayo, barrow ball. Here, ayan. Oh, thank you. Di ba, kapag nag-red, ano yung red? Through the lens, then top. Okay, hindi, one move lang muna. Okay, so that's 1 point. Okay, so again, blue, then top. Pero no count guys, no count pag ganito ha. Kunyari, nag-red. No count. Okay lang yung live ball. Live ball, okay? Live ball. Taas mo, net. Taas mo, yan. Ay, para kay Jelson. Match ball na. Podra. Ayan, red through. Then top. Before you finish. One, go, right now. Okay, mamaya natin i-combo. So split muna, split and through, foot replacement and cross. Split through, foot replacement and cross. Split through, foot replacement, cross. Split through, okay, breakdown natin. Split muna, wala man dribble. Split.
What's the point of this?
Through, foot replacement, then cross. Put them together, split through, foot replacement, cross. Okay, ready? Go! So this time, we're going to do a foot switch. So kaya na siya tinawag na foot switch kasi mag-change lang kayo ng direction. Ito, drop, foot switch. Ang gamit sa foot switch is split through, then foot replacement. So ulit, drop, foot switch, foot replacement. Drop, foot switch, split through, foot replacement. One side lang muna. One side. Ready! Drop. Go! Ready. Ready. Go! Pass. Go! Go! Ready. Saka pa ulit. Go, spray! Go, spray! Last one! Go! Oh, once. Go, Hand Traveling, but don't worry about the travel kasi ang goal natin is to improve your speed, your athleticism, and your timing. So, ganito mangyayari, we call this two-pit stamp kasi stamp natin itong what do you call this? Drill mat. So, from here, di ba nakastep yung right foot ko sa blue? Ang next talon ko, yung left ko naman, mag-stamp kay logo. Then, papalo na ako kay yellow, then into siya. Okay? Oh. Yes. Kasi, quick feet lang. Buha.
Ngayon, yung pupin natin si drop, tapos i-put switch. Then, tap na lang dito, then drop, tap nyo lang po, then symbol, then tap dito, tapos drop, tap lang ulit dito, then first step, second step, finish.
Let's go. 5 times ready.
Ito natin yung switch. Okay? Si drop, hindi naman natin tapos, drop na po dito, then pagdating dito, tap lang, up, then spin, then spin, guys, away. After you make play out, go! Drop.
Water break.